Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by granting the app permission to display pop-ups. That setting is often under Apps or App Management. Once done, open the app you plan to use, then bring up recent apps or the multitask view. You specifically long press the app card or app icon and select Floating Window. This immediately creates a resizable overlay. Do this right away so you can interact with the app without leaving the current screen. This is the essential first action to get the floating window working. Once the floating window appears, you control it by touching the title bar, drag to reposition, and drag a corner or pinch to resize for precise placement. Make sure to tap the header to reveal quick controls. Those icons let you close, dock, or expand to full screen. If available, the three-dot menu offers split screen or always-on-top settings. Use them when you need persistent access. These controls let you tailor size and priority, so the floating app doesn't block critical content while you multitask. To finish, place the floating window where it's least intrusive, or dock, and expand it back to full screen when you need full functionality. You can create multiple floating windows by repeating the recent app's long press for each supported app, then arrange them to avoid overlap. If the floating window won't appear, make sure the app has pop-up or overlay permission and disable battery optimization for it. Doing that resolves most issues caused by aggressive power management. Try that before assuming the feature is broken.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.